Who faces the greatest challenges in the confluence age?
इस दुनिया में सतयुग के आदि से लेकर के और कलयुग के अंत तक सच्चाई का कुछ न कुछ अंश तो रहता है कि नहीं रहता है?
In this world, from the beginning of the golden age till the end of the iron age, is the trace of truth present to some or the other extent or not?
सच्चाई का अंश तो रहता है,
There is indeed a trace of truth.
लेकिन जब हम देह के जन्म लेते हैं
However, when we have birth of a body,
तो देहभान में आने के कारण सच्ची बातों को भी हम ठुकराते रहे हैं।
we have been denying true concept because of becoming body conscious.
क्या?
What?
तो जितना हमने सच्ची बातों को ठुकराया है देह अभिमान में आकर के, सच्चाई को ठुकराया है, उतना हमको यहाँ संघर्ष करना पड़ेगा।
So, the more we have denied the true concepts and truth by becoming body conscious, the more we will have to struggle here.
क्या?
What?
चाहे वो प्रजापिता वाली आत्मा हो
Be it the soul of Prajapita,
और चाहे वो छोटा मोटा राजा बनने वाली आत्मा हो
a soul who is going to become an insignificant king,
और चाहे वो प्रजावर्ग में रहने वाली आत्मा हो।
or a soul who stays among the subject category.
आज बाबा जितना हम ज्ञान सुनाने के लिए जाते हैं वो जो हमको ठुकराते हैं,
हाँ, तो हमारा हिसाब किताब
जो हिसाब किताब पूरा होगा उसके बाद फिर हमारा
हम जब राजा बने थे तो राजाओं ने मनमानी नहीं की थी।
Student, Baba, when we go to narrate the knowledge, they deny it. Baba, yes, our karmic accounts are getting settled. Student, when our karmic accounts are settled, won't they deny it? Baba, when you became a king, didn't you act as you please?
राजाएं मनमानी करते थे ना, अपनी चलाते थे ना।
Kings used to act as they pleased, didn't they? They used to impose their own will, didn't they?
कोई भले सच्ची बात भी कहे तो अहंकार में आकर के अपनी बात को ऊपर रखना और उनकी बात को नीचे गिरा देना और उनको दंड दे देना, ऐसे किया ना।
Even if someone used to speak the truth, they gave priority to their own opinion out of ego and belittled others and then punished them. They did that, didn't they?
तो अब ये हिसाब किताब को कब पूरा होगा?
So, when will the karmic accounts be settled?
अभी तो सच्चा बाप आया हुआ है, लेकिन उसकी ये शर्त है कि आत्माभिमानी बनो।
Now, the true father has come, but his condition is become soul conscious.
तो जितना जितना हम आत्माभिमानी बनते जाते हैं,
The more we become soul conscious,
जितना जितना हम बाप को याद करते हैं,
the more we remember the father,
उतना उतना जल्दी रील घूमती है।
the faster the reel rotates.
जब रील 63 जन्मों की जल्दी घूमेगी,
When the reel of 63 births rotates faster,
तो हमारे सामने जो किए हुए पाप कर्म है वो जल्दी जल्दी सामने आवेंगे।
the sinful actions that we have performed will come in front of us sooner.
और जल्दी जल्दी सामने आवेंगे तो हम मुकाबला करेंगे।
If they come in front of us sooner, we will face them.
तो घबराना नहीं चाहिए।
So, we shouldn't panic.
Never become disheartened in service, because it is the imperishable task of the imperishable Father. Success will also be imperishable. It is impossible that service doesn't bear fruit. Some fruit is born instantly, and some fruit is born after some time. This is why, never have this thought. Always think that service will definitely take place. Avyakt Vani dated 9th March 1984, page 2, middle.
बड़ा का होना, अति दुख पाओना।
The higher the name and fame, the greater the pain.
जितना बड़ा नंबर होगा माला में,
The higher the number someone has in the rosary, student, the more the sorrow he will have to bear.
दुख नहीं, उतनी बड़ी परीक्षा से गुजरना पड़ेगा।
Not sorrow. He will have to pass a higher level of examination to that extent.
The new world isn't established by those having zeal and enthusiasm sometimes. Only those who have zeal and enthusiasm forever become the instruments of creating the new world. It is you who are going to go to the new world as well as the ones who create it. So, powers as well as time are required to create it, but powerful souls always keep moving ahead by destroying obstacles. Avyaktvani, 8th January 1986, page 146, beginning.
जब ज्ञान मार्ग आगे जाता है,
When the path of knowledge goes ahead,
तो ज्ञान मार्ग में जो अव्वल नंबर अधीन है, अव्वल नंबर धर्म है, उस धर्म में आने वालों की परीक्षा सबसे पहले होगी.
those who are going to come in the number one deen, that is religion, in the path of knowledge, they will be given examination first of all.
घबराना नहीं है.
You shouldn't panic.
If you consider a storm to be a storm, there will be tumult. If you consider or feel it to be a gift, your enthusiasm and courage will increase. This is the sign of rising celestial degrees. Instead of worrying, you will go into the depth and collect new gems of experience by these ocean-like examinations. Avyaktvani, 15th April 1974, page 1, beginning.
सूर्यवंशी की परीक्षा पहले होगी, उसमें भी जो फाउंडर है उनके पहले होगी.
Student, the examination of the Suryavanshis will take place first. Even among them, the examination of those who are founders will take place even sooner.
बिल्कुल.
Baba, of course.
जो जितना पढ़ाई करने वाला हम सब विद्यार्थी, उसी परीक्षा भी कड़ी होगी.
The higher the knowledge a student studies, the tougher his examination will be. Student, those who don't come across examinations, Baba, they are lower beads.
सूर्यवंशी में नहीं है.
ये परीक्षा ही नहीं दी, ऊंचा पद कैसे पाएंगे?
Student, won't they come among the Suryavanshis? Baba, those who don't take the examination at all, how will they attain a high position?